Hello and welcome to Sharpie's Garage. Today I'm changing the sump or oil pan on a 2007 rear-wheel drive Transit. As you can see, I've got it on axle stands. The problem with the sump is it's perished, it's leaking a bit like a colander. It's held on by 8mm bolts, some 10mm nuts on little studs. Sorry about the next shot, it was my camera I was using and it went a bit funny on me. But just goes to show you how bad it was rusting and perished. I started by dropping the oil. It's a 13mm stud on back at sump. And then I went round the top of the sump, taking the 8mm studs out and the 4 10mm nuts. Once I got all the studs out, I just get it attacked with a mallet and stuck a screwdriver in between, and it popped off quite easy. Then I found out you can't get it off without either lifting the engine or removing the oil intake pipe. So I opted for taking the oil intake pipe off. I pulled the sump as far forward as what I could towards the radiator, and that gives you enough, or give me enough access to get in and take the 2 8mm studs out that hold the oil intake pipe on. I shoved the sump to slightly to one side, which made the first 8mm stud easier to get to. The second stud's not quite as easy to get to. I had to pull the sump forward, cock it over a little bit as much as what it would, so I could get to it. Getting it back in is a little bit more tricky. Once I'd undone them two, it were easy. The sump just fell off. The new sump, which I picked up off eBay, come with a gasket. There didn't seem to be a lot of sealer on this sump. It didn't take much cleaning up at all. I didn't use any sealer. Whether that was the right or wrong thing to do, I don't know, we'll soon find out. So just drop the gasket back onto the sump, put the oil intake pipe back into the sump, so when I slot it back in I could just rebuild it as I stripped it down. It was a bit of jiggery pokery getting the gasket lined up once I got the oil intake pipe back on, but once I got it back on I just tightened all the bolts up evenly, topped it back up with oil, and Bob's your uncle. I did change the oil filter while I was at it. So there we have it, one brand new sump. Looks a lot better, I feel a lot better. There's no leaks, I've done about 10 mile in it, so it seems to work without sealant. We don't know how long it's going to last, but I'll let you know if it goes wrong. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.